All right. Good morning, pure structured traders. Today is May 12th, 2021. Today we'll be going over S&P 500. I'm going to give you some of the major levels that I have on the charts. Wendy will be going over some of the minor levels that she has, and then I'll be going over some of the levels on gold and also oil for you guys. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you guys like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. For all of those who have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. Would love to get back to you guys. Other than that, guys, let's go ahead and hop into the morning market analysis. All right, so for S&P 500, got a main level sitting here at 41.1050. Decent level of support for me. Between that, I got a mid-level of 41.2750 that could potentially be resistance and or support if you like to play in the middle, and then a main level of resistance at 41.4825. These have been holding up very nicely. Again, we've been in a sideways movement for me, kind of a wider sideways movement, but I like to play the edges on this one. So for me, the support will come in at 41.1050 if you guys do want to try to trade that, and the resistance for me for a downside will come in right around those 41.4825s. I may not play too much in the middle, but we'll see what kind of happens here on S&P. With that, I'm going to hand it over to Wendy. She'll give you some of the minor levels that she has for S&P 500.
Yeah, good morning, Dave. Good morning, traders. Hope everybody's good. We're going to make some money today. It's volatile. I had all the levels marked pre-market and then it just dumped about 50 points. So I had to redo them. But it did find support down there at 4096. So when it finds support, what we want to do is now mark our peaks for a bounce up to where we don't have any idea. But what we know in the meantime, we can use those peaks for some points on a long. Where's our first peak? 4107. Look at that. Market used it once, twice, three, four, five times. If that isn't confidence enough to hit along there, I don't know what else we need. That's long number one. Where's our peak number two? 4115. And look at that. Market hit it. It created that double bottom and took it all the way up to 4125. That is a double top. But where is our third peak? Because we don't want to ignore that. And I'll tell you what happened at our third peak because it's interesting. Third peak is at 4119/20. Market could not use it as support. Instead, it used it as resistance. When that happens, you can look for the drop to come down to our other peaks below. And that's what it did. It came down to 4115. Let's see if the market has enough guts to pull it on up to where either that third peak where it dropped or all the way back up to the double top at 4125. So now we're just going to have to wait and see how the market handles these areas to see if it wants to continue to grind all the way up or if we're going to have some more bearish movement today. So that's our levels. We're locked and loaded. We're ready to make some money. So Dave, darling, what do you have on gold and maybe oil for us today?
Awesome. Good job. All right, so let's take a look here at gold first. Alrighty, so we did have a very nice move back to the upside and then a nice drop move. You can see we touched our level 1843.8, rejected it right here and then started to fall off. And then again, we went right back underneath another level of resistance at 39.5 and then rejected that level and fell off. And right now, we're trying to see if we can hold this support, but we actually fell underneath it. So what may happen here is one of two things. We may come back and reject this area and then get a nice short opportunity for a continuation down to our next level. I got somewhere around this support here at 26. Or what could happen is the market pop right back up, come back, hold the support, and then continue up. So key level here, 32.8, could be used as support, could be used as resistance. We're gonna watch this area first and then maybe get a nice continuation down if it is used as resistance. Underneath 26 for support is going to be 1821.7, and then below that 1813.2. So gonna look out for those levels as the market tries to reach those for gold. Let's go ahead and take a look at oil for a second here too. Oil levels have been up. Nice triple top here, right at a level of 66.22. Levels were up from London session. So again, they're holding very nicely. We're underneath the support right now. So again, that 65.85 could come back and reject as resistance, or it could be used as support. So we're going to see, but next level of support underneath that 65.46 and below that 64.98. Um, Below 64.98 got another main level of 64.52. So we'll see if the market actually gives us an opportunity to continue to go long and or short from those levels. But that is it for S&P 500, gold, and oil. With that, guys, let's go ahead and prepare for the market open.